Hi, our friends. Today I'm going to draw with my son together. What's your name?
Theo.
And how old are you?
4.
And are we ready to draw?
Yeah.
What are we going to draw today?
Lollipop.
Yes, let's get started. So, watch me first, Theo. Let's start in the center right here. A little bit over the top right here. And we're gonna start with drawing a spiral that goes out. Yep. And draw a really big one, Theo. Like draw really big. Because you're gonna color them later. Yes, you're doing very good. Draw a big spiral. And connect it at the top. Like yours, that's right. I like this. And then what we're gonna draw the stick, right? So watch me, Theo. Look right here. Let's draw a straight line that comes down. That's right. And then wait. So not too far away from this line, like right next to this line that we just drew. Right? Draw another straight line that comes down. And connect it at the end. Now let's color it, okay? So we're gonna use very colorful colors.
First is red.
And look, Theo, this is how I'll do it. I'll draw the two straight lines, and then I am going to color in between the two straight lines. Look, Theo. And then for the outer layers, I'm just gonna shift a little bit by doing this in a different area.
I could use yellow.
Yeah, I like how you are coloring it. You're just gonna color different colors at different sections, right? So make sure when you color, like you are not just leaving white space over there, right? You want to color the whole section. Here, I think this is the first time you use a color pencil, so you can go like this. Look up, Theo, look up and down, just like that. That's right.
Use purple now. Green.
Wow, you're so good. I think I have a green as well.
Both is the same green.
Yeah,
Look at mine.
you have more colors than me.
Yeah.
You're done?
Yeah.
No, I challenge you to fill in all the blanks because you have a lot of white space. You are so much faster than me. I gotta hurry up. That is the most colorful lollipop ever.
I see my green.
You didn't take your green.
Oh, you didn't say my green. That's your green.
I know. That's what I said.
You can buy my purple. My purple pancake.
Yes. Can you shade in the rest like here?
Too many white space.
Yeah, you got too many white space. Now we're just gonna fast forward, okay? What color is your stick going to be?
You go to be.
Choose a color for your stick.
This color.
Okay, that's a good idea. Now let's draw the funny face. I'm gonna draw a big circle for the eye, big smile. That is our funny lollipop. Now I'm going to sign my name. Can you sign yours as well? Yeah. And you're gonna draw two hands as well? That's so funny. Okay.
And that's the.
And then you're gonna sign your name.
Oh, I'm going to sign my name.
Yeah, sign your name next to it. Okay, we did it. Give me 5. I hope you enjoyed drawing with us today, and please give the video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more weekly uploads. Thanks for drawing with us today, and I'll see you next time.
Bye-bye.